Hola, hola, ¿qué tal? In this lesson, you will learn how to express how you're feeling emotionally and physically.
Spanish Awakenings, a free Spanish course for beginners by Web Spanish.
Welcome to lesson number 31. Bienvenido a la lección 31. So, say you're feeling hungry, thirsty, dizzy, lucky, or maybe tired, and you want to convey this in Spanish to someone else. Well, one of the ways you can do it is by using the verb to have, tener. In our story, Diana's birthday party is underway. Pay close attention to how Milagros and Diana tell each other how they're feeling.
¿Tienes sed? ¿Quieres algo?
No, gracias. Tengo mareos.
Muchos mojitos. Yo tengo suerte. Estoy bien y tengo ganas de bailar.
¿Qué? No. Tienes que presentarme a tus amigos. Quiero conocer gente nueva.
Lo siento, tienes razón.
Preséntame a alguien.
Sí.
Hola.
Hola. Renzo, ella es mi amiga Diana. Diana, él es mi amigo Renzo.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto también.
Voy a traer bocaditos. Un momento.
Now, listen again.
¿Tienes sed? ¿Quieres algo?
No, gracias. Tengo mareos.
Muchos mojitos. Yo tengo suerte. Estoy bien y tengo ganas de bailar.
¿Qué? No, tienes que presentarme a tus amigos. Quiero conocer gente nueva.
Lo siento. Tienes razón.
Preséntame a alguien.
Sí.
Hola.
Hola, Renzo. Esta es mi amiga Diana. Diana, él es mi amigo Renzo.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto también.
Voy a traer bocaditos. Un momento.
Well, look who showed up at the party. Renzo, the photographer that Milagros met at the photo exhibit in lesson number 6. It's good to see him again. Okay, let's move on, and I want to talk about the verb to have, tener. Did you hear how Milagros asked Diana, "Are you thirsty?" She asked, "Tienes sed?" which, translated literally, means, "Do you have thirst?" ¿Tienes sed? Diana, who's not used to drinking alcohol, answers, "No thanks, I have dizziness." No gracias, tengo mareos. Now, she could have also said, "Estoy mareada," using the verb to be, estar, which in fact is a grammatically better way to express dizziness, since dizziness is a circumstance at a given time, but she's at a party, she's feeling comfortable, so she's speaking colloquially. And she uses an everyday expression, tengo mareos. I have dizziness. So, whereas in English and Spanish, you can be thirsty or be dizzy, in Spanish, you can have thirst and have dizziness. Now we see the verb tener again when Milagros says, "I am lucky, I am good," as in she feels good, and "I have the desire to dance." She says, "Yo tengo suerte, estoy bien, y tengo ganas de bailar." Hey, by the way, 2 more great takeaways from this lesson are the expressions for "I'm sorry," which is lo siento, and "you're right," tienes razón. Get those onto your flashcards and into your long-term memory. Very useful. Okay, that's all for now. It was a fairly short lesson this time. I hope it was as fun for you as it was for me. If you think that you're making progress, take a second, or a few seconds, or a minute, and feel proud of yourself. Okay? See you soon. Hasta la próxima. Ciao.